Hi guys, welcome to Code Artisan Lab. This is our sixth video for employee register application, and we are making this application with coordinator for Bootstrap 5 and MySQL. In our previous video, we have learned that how to extend the template and how to create a layout, common layout in coordinator 4. Now in this video, we will perform the form validation. We will learn how to validate the form data which will submitted by the user. So let's start. So what we will do, first we will create this button. Okay, first uh, we have created this button in this home page, and in our ad page we have created these links. So if you go to the home page, I have added the anchor, and in our ad page I have added this anchor for all data, so that we can switch between these two pages. So now we will validate the form. So we will also refer this documentation of coordinator 4. If you search here form validation, then it will give you result about the validation, and here you can learn about all the things for the validation. They have explained beautifully everything. Okay, so we will apply the simple things so that we can start easily, and then you can move further. You can go to deep in validation. Okay, so what we will do here, first we will add the post method in first we will add the method post, and we will add the action add, and in this we will create a csrf field. It will create the input hidden field which has a some kind of encrypted numbers or hash numbers, so that it can secure our form with the form with the cross site request. Okay, so what we will do, uh, first thing not first thing, but here in the routes we will change it with match, because this ad will contain both method, post and get. Okay, so this is the new thing. You can add it here in the match. If you want to add the same post and get method at the same route, then you can add this match method in the route functionality. Now we will go to the controller, and in the controller what we will do, we will check if $this request get method, because we are not submitting, our action is same. Okay, our action is add for get and post both, so that we are checking this. If the method is post, then we will perform the validation, and $this validate. So it will check if it is validated data, and in the validation we will pass the array, and from add form I will get the name, full name, and I will add required. Okay, so you can see the full list of validation rules. If you go to the bottom, full list of, they have uploaded the full list. Sorry, I'm going to upload available rules. So here, these are the rules that you can apply. They have alpha, alpha space, alpha dash, so many rules that I have applied. Here we are applying the simple required field. You can apply and check, so that you can confirm that how it is working. Okay, so now we are required, and let's say we also need to require the email. Okay, so we will require this both fields, and in the add section I will also add the span tag, and here mark this asterisk sign and text danger, and it will start, so that it is indicate that it is a required field, and it will look like this. Oh, sorry. So it is full name validate, and we are okay, this will be function, sorry for this will be function, and this will be home. Let's check this again. So we need to define the route also. Here we have a add, we have defined the method http method, but we didn't define the route at which it will be show the form or it will post the data. Okay, so it is now error has gone, and here you can see we have a static sign with full name and email. Now we have defined the validation, and we have defined the post method. Now the question is how we can show the form errors. So what we will do here, we will start the in the card body we will start the PHP, and here we will get the errors. From where we will get the error? From config services validation. Okay, and from the validation method we will get we will get the errors, get errors. Okay, so we have a errors, we can get the errors by this method. Now let's check this. We will print these errors. Errors, refresh this. Okay, one thing more we need to do. We will check this, like get errors. We will go to the documentation, and here we will check list errors. This will be simply validation. Okay, you can also refer this first application. In this application they are defining, they are creating the application for scratch to defining the all errors. Okay, so what we will do here, so they are defining the errors. So we don't have any errors yet because we have not submitted the form, but I'm showing the error. So what we need to do, we will check if dollar errors not equal to empty. If it will not empty, then for each as dollar $e, it will start the PHP, and here we will show the errors dollar $e, and when we submit this form it will show the errors like this. Okay, so full name, email, this you can also change this messages. So you can go to the documentation and see how we can change the messages. Okay, so this is just a simply start. This is uh, you can say this is in this video we will learn how to add the errors, and from if you want to go to deep, then you can follow this documentation. They have explained everything. I'm just starting that, I have just started that how we can implement this form validation in coordinator 4. Okay, so we have errors, and we are showing with condition. Now let's add bootstrap styling, like alert, and this will be alert danger, and so this kind of thing. And if you refresh this, then it will show the form errors like this. Okay, it's your choice that how you want to show the errors. Okay, so in this video I just want to show you that how we can simply create the form, and how we can simply add the errors in the controller with the same method. Okay, so you can try you can also try the different method. Just define the post form action here, and you can also try the different method with only post method. Like this we are using get method. If you are working with a different method in form, then you can try the post method. Okay, so I hope you are enjoying this series. So please like this video and subscribe this channel, and thanks for watching this video. Thank you so much.